Okay, so we start again. Here, welcome everybody for today's session. I think today is session number 6 from our course, or 7, I don't know. Anyway, we're starting with the homework.
It's 6.
Yes, okay. So we're starting with the homework, and we start who sent. I hope everybody. I hope. So here we're starting the last one sending, I think Faisal, right?
Yes.
Okay, Faisal, did you see the previous video in YouTube or something?
تمام أيوه yes I see it.
Yes,
So,
yes, good, very good, very good. So let's have a look here. Okay. So, okay. So Faisal, can you explain what's here so I can comment on your video? So if everyone one by one, please, he will explain for us which trade and what positions, and then we can spoke about it. So let's start with Faisal.
تمام. ممكن أتكلم عربي صح؟
so نتكلم عربي مفيش مشكلة، وانا هترجم يعني لو في اي حاجة.
أوكي. هو أول حاجة أنا يعني شفت الشوتينج ستار، تمام، اللي أنا عامل عليها هايلايت.
شوتينج ستار.
شوتينج ستار، وقلت إن المفروض بعدها هيحصل داون، يعني السعر هينزل المفروض.
اوكي.
تمام. فقلت خلاص يعني كده أنا هحط الستوب لوز فوق والتيك بروفيت تحت.
فوق فين يا
3
فيصل
to 1
بالظبط؟ معلش.
هنا
هنا هنا
اللي هو 107.7 اللي هو
05
لا الهوريزونتال لاين اليلو.
هنا الستوب لوز هنا
ايوه
هنا.
بالظبط
اوكي،
ده.
والتيك بروفيت
تيك
هنا.
بروفيت ايوه ده بالظبط.
اوكي
بنسبه 3 to 1
اوكي.
بس. ده اللي انا عملته.
طب وفايبونيتشي اخباره ايه معاك؟ ولا مش داخل في الصفقة دي؟
لا هو داخل يعني، بس انا يعني انا ممكن اعتمدت اكتر على الشوتينج ستور، يعني مش عارف ده صح ولا لا، بس انا لقيت
اوكي.
الفايبوناتشي ان يعني مش عارف ده صح ولا لا، بس انا يعني لقيت الفايبوناتشي 38.2. فقلت ان هو لسه يعني هينزل ل 50 وبعد كده 61، فقلت السعر هينزل. تمام.
Okay, I understand. ماشي يا فيصل. So guys, I understand Faisal. He going to the trade according the shooting star here. Okay, as you see, everyone. So according the shooting star, he just going to the trade, selling this pair, and he have his stop loss here over there. Okay, and have the take profit over here. Okay, so let's speak. You know, each symbol, each pattern, what you do. For example, what Faisal do, what's Eleonora, what's Elena, what I do. Everybody have to listen carefully, because a mistake of one person could be repeated with you. So please listen carefully for each explanation, for each pattern what we will explain. So first of all, here for the shooting star is very weak shooting star, very weak shooting star, because I didn't see a top here. The price is going like that, and this is a news, 90% a news candlestick going down and then up. So I didn't see here a clear top even. Okay, for example, I saw here a top, because the price is moving and moving down, making us a top. Here could be also, but here, no, I didn't see a clear top. This number one. Okay. I going trade according a shooting star is not right. I told you last session that forex is a couple of puzzles. So we have a lot of puzzles on the game or in the trade. I don't go according what one tool. From what I learned, one tool is not enough for me to risking my money. Okay, so I don't go according a shooting star, even it's a clear shooting star on the top. I don't go according shooting star only. This number one, even it's not a clear shooting star. If we look here, we will see 38.250. If I will put this together with that, okay, so I have to wait until broken of 38 with clear candlestick, with clear candlestick. Faisal, was just 1 minute. Is this a 1 minute frame time? This
Yes.
a 1 minute frame time. Okay. So guys, I don't recommend that you trade even in 1 minute trade frame time. It's very little. I mean, frame time for trading. Okay, so the 1 minute is very little for training. And I told you about Fibonacci. We draw Fibonacci at least at 4 hour frame time, not less. So Fibonacci as bigger frame time, he is more accurate, he is more يعني nice. So please draw Fibonacci starting from 4 hour frame time, daily or weekly or even monthly, no problem. So never draw Fibonacci in 1 minute frame time. So here, if we will see the if we forget the frame time now, here is the shooting star, as I told you, not accurate. So 38, I'm waiting for the broken of 38 with a clear candle. For me, clear candle, at least it's 1 hour frame time candlestick. Okay, 1 hour candlestick, even under the 38 FIBO, then we have to go selling this pair. Okay, Faisal?
اوكي تمام.
ماشي.
تمام.
So we're going to the next one here. Okay, it's a daily frame time, right? Faisal, is it yours, right?
تمام.
ماشي. It's a daily frame time. So Faisal, explain please. قول لي ايه التريد هنا ايه عشان مش مكتوب.
لا، انا بس صورت هنا عشان اجيب الفايبوناتشي الصوره كامله.
يعني دي التريدة اللي فاتت؟
يعني هي دي يعني
بس دي على
لازم.
على الديلي تايم فريم.
بالظبط.
انت
يعني
راسم
انا
انت راسم
يعني
الفايبونيتشي على الديلي.
انا راسم الفايبوناتشي على الديلي اي ثينك
على الديلي وبعدين رحت 1 مينت عشان تعمل تريد، مش كده؟
عشان اشوف عشان اشوف ايوه، يعني عشان اشوف الكاندل بطريقه اسرع.
اوكي، هو
آه،
هو تمام. بص، الفايبونيتشي مرسوم على الديلي. نايس. اوكي، انا كده تمام بالنسبه للفايبو، لان الفايبو بترسم اقل حاجه على 4 ساعات.
اوكي تمام.
اوكي، يعني اقل من كده ما بيبقاش مظبوط، يعني ما بيديش نتائج مظبوطه يعني. فانت رسمه هنا. اوكي. انا ما اعرفش التريده بتاعتك فين، لان ال1 مينت فاهم تريد ده صغير خالص، فمش قادر احدد. انت دخلت تقريبا من اخر شمعه مثلا، يعني تقريبا من قبلها، من هنا مثلا.
مثلا
صح. اوكي. uh,
مم.
okay, so this is the same guys, fine, the same FIPO, but in daily time frame. Okay, so he wrote it on this wave, I believe. So it's from down to up because the facing the price with 23.50 here. So it's on this wave. So if you look to the daily time frame, you will see that the second candle here is not even crossing the FIBO 38. You see, is even don't cross the FIBO 38. For this, the price is not continue to 50 because it's even yani, on the 38 FIBO inside, not not closing here, for example. But nice work. Anyway, nice work from Faisal. Thank you very much for doing this. And okay, we go where we go. So we're going to Elena. Elena having two things to show us. Elena, you are with me?
Yes, I'm here.
Good. So please explain for us what you do here.
So I'm taking from where is 100? You see, fiber 100. I'm looking to the line from 100 where so from the top where I drew Fibonacci. That's in my opinion, it's the full wave.
So you mean on this wave?
Yes. So
Okay.
this is how. And
so you
so
draw
I
it
see
from up to down, right?
yes.
Okay.
No.
Yes, yes, you are.
Yes. Yes, from up to down. So what is my tools to decide, let's say. So that's a down train with actually 1, 2, 3 points even touching from up. And from the down, you see a double bottom.
I don't see a clear down. You mean this
Yeah.
and this?
Yes.
Not exactly, but mesh. Okay. Okay.
So I see like a neck. What is the red one? I put like kind of neck here.
Mesh. Okay. Tell us
So
more.
then okay. So then I decided to enter the because it's already in 23. It's reached cross and go up.
You mean
So
here?
I decided to yes. So I decided to enter over here. Yes, where you just put now.
Mesh.
This and then so the stop loss according to the double bottom will be lower than the neck, and I see here this stop loss. Yes.
Okay. Mesh.
And then take profits and the top. And I
Here?
just point yes, and I just point some parts where it's like bull engulfing, bullish engulfing, and where there is a
But this is not in your
retest.
trade.
Yeah, it is. Why? I mean, I start from here and then we go and see that actually it's yes, right? As analyze, let's say.
Okay. So concentrate a little bit. So here is Elena. She wrote for us a trade from here. Okay, the entry is from here. So first of all, I spoke. Let's talk step by step. I spoke about the trend, right? Yes, it's a downtrend. Is it a downtrend? Okay. A little bit not 45 degree. Do you remember we speak about
Yes,
45 degree, the normal trend or the nice trend, let's say. But it's okay. No problem. So it's downtrend. Okay. And a double bottom here is not clear. Absolutely not clear. It's just yani two candles, yani it's okay. Let's say it's not clear double bottom, but okay, let's take it like a double bottom. Waiting until the price crossing 23.50. So you are depending in two things, on double bottom and 23
Yes.
FIBO, right?
Yes, and downtrend and yeah, like
Okay. So crossing the
I
downtrend,
can see here.
you mean crossing the
Yeah.
downtrend and enter here. Okay. So Elena, she entered when she got 4-hour candle over the 23. So she entered from the second one, right?
Yes.
Okay. And she got the stop loss here. And she got the take profit here. Okay. I can believe that take profit twice stop loss, almost.
From
Okay.
where you count the twice? From the entry, right? From entry,
from
right?
the entry,
Yeah.
yes.
Twice, yes, twice. Yes.
From the entry, it's actually twice. But
Yes.
the stop loss, if it's here, yes, it's too much down because you're going according 23. It's what I say here. The main entry for you is Fibonacci. It's not the double bottom. But anyway, if we saw the double bottom and the Fibonacci, the 23 level is the neck line for this double bottom.
Yes.
So
Yes.
actually, it's enough to put your entry here and not here. Here is
Okay.
enough. Is also far from this line, but not here. And for the
Not
take profit
here.
of the entry, here you find something, but it's useless because you already enter your trade
Yeah.
here. So it's useless what's after. Anyway,
I understand.
yeah, it can be indicator for you. Of course, the price will continue or will change, but I mean about the trade, you already entered the trade here.
It's not
So,
influence here.
so yes, so you're depending on two things: the double bottom and the Fibonacci. About the take profit, you put your take profits much far, much far. Much far. You see here, it's far away. I mean, 23. Maybe your target will be 38 FIBO. Maybe it will be a 50 FIBO. For example, if you spoke about Fibonacci, but not 61. Yani, it's you cross two levels, or the third level you put the take profit, and it's yani, it's far from your entity, far enough. It's swing, but the price can change, like here for example, can change anytime. It could change from 50, for example, here, and coming down, so he will not reach this place, for example. Yes, so when I bought a take profit also, I have put a reasonable take profit. I mean, I cannot take my take profit. Yes, I need that take profit is here. I need to take more money, but I have to put a reasonable take profit.
Between levels, you mean?
On the next level will be okay if I will I enter according the FIBO, if I according here. So also 38 or maximum 50 is more than enough for this take.
Okay.
Okay. Is it your turn? Yes.
Yes, this is also.
Okay.
This is the triangle.
Triangle. Okay. You enter
Yes.
a trade from broking the triangle.
So yes, I opened the trade a little bit lower, let's say. Yes, entry a little bit lower over here. I wrote it, yes, entry, and it's like one candle down, let's say.
And the take profit is here.
Yes.
Okay. Meshi. One more time. We enter a trade according only one tool, the triangle.
I was saying, I wanted to ask you.
Yes.
So let's say if we are thinking about Fibonacci, it's also kind of tool, or no? It is.
Of
or
course,
it's just
Fibonacci a kind of tool, a very good tool.
So is it right to count Fibonacci from left down bottom, like I said, so as a complete wave where all this triangle included? Is it correct to put the Fibonacci?
Where?
to see all, like the way I did. Is it correct? The way I
you
wrote
take this as a wave, and this is the
yes.
second wave. Yes, it's correct.
Yes.
Why
Okay.
not?
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Okay. So here,
I've seen
if I will depend on two tools, so I will depend here. Okay.
on evening star. That's what I was writing also.
Yes, yes, for evening star as a beginning, waiting
And before
to,
also it was like a shooting star, which can be like
but you
as
don't
well.
go to
No,
trade here.
no, I
Even
don't.
it's
But
what?
maybe
So
I consider is as a previous like double time. It's touched the up triangle line, and down it was in inverted hammer, like it was consistently showing that it's going like in a wave.
okay.
Like
So
that's
you concern here evening star pattern, and then waiting to cross the triangle, and
yes, to reset. Yes.
after the retest, so you're going entry, your stop lose inside the triangle, your take profit
Yes.
is so much far.
Yes.
Your take profit is absolutely
Yes,
far.
I
Lena
So
is greedy. Lena
you guys,
I'm greedy.
you are greedy like money. So
is greedy.
That's my sister.
okay, Lena, we
Shush.
all yes, I know.
Shush.
So no, it's too far.
No, okay.
The take profit is too far. You're crossing. Yes, if we count here two trend.
That's what I was pointing according to the like a
no,
middle and
if we count here the two between two trend line, it will be maximum on this level.
oh,
Okay. Yes, the price going more down, but I cannot risk.
okay.
So I take, for example, this here. So I would go to this trade not only after broking the triangle, but also after broking the 23.650 and making a retest. So I enter from here.
To say. You can make a few trades, let's say.
So
right?
I enter from here, okay, and my stop loss will be over 23. So I know that it's broken.
Few trends, okay.
I know that it's broken triangle. I know that it's broken 23. I know that it's a morning star. So I have three tools, and then I go here.
I understand. A few trades.
The meeting will
now
now the program guys give me a signal that the meeting will end in 10 minutes. I don't know why. Okay, so I think in 10 minutes the meeting will end. Okay. I don't know why, but be ready. Anyway,
you will restart, right? You will restart, Mohammed?
I will when it will be disconnected. Okay. I will give you another message to go in again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, and then I make another video, no problem. Okay, so you understand? So I go from here, and my take profit will be, for example, 55, and that's all. Okay, but good work. Okay, so quickly we're going to okay, Valentina, and we take example from trade. We have two examples, so let's take
probably here. This one.
Okay, so we spoke about this one. So yes, Valentina, tell us what's here.
Okay, now this is the one that I was doing in real time. If you see my vertical red line, that's where I start kind of analyzing and kind of trading, you know, and so on. So, but probably since I have two trades, they are marked with a check mark. So like by listening what you were saying to Lena, I analyzed something, but let me tell you what I saw. So first, when I opened this, I decided to do it in 1 minute because I really wanted to see how the candles grow. So please forgive me. It's not 4 hour and it's not 1 day because it was existing real time chart. So when I saw declining, we say ascending, descending. I saw descending triangle. So I took the tops, I took the bottoms, I saw ascending triangle, and I expected it to be break somewhere around this check where I entered the trade. So right where my vertical red line, I realized that it will be retesting my top yellow line. So I noticed, okay, it's retesting my line. I saw the inverted head and shoulder. I don't know if you see it or not. I have the sign, inverted head and shoulder. So I was expecting that it will break the upper trend line fairly soon. And it's kind of happened right where I have a check. Then I have some kind of Marpuzzo candle. It's almost like, oh gosh, did we end
Yes,
it?
yes, I hear.
Okay. So I saw this Marpuzza and I decided to go in trend. But because it was a real time, I also quickly, you cannot say that I drew the Fibonacci sequence, because you cannot draw the Fibonacci sequence on the curve that does not yet. I can understand that. So I entered the trade where you have a check mark and the word enter, and my first profit, where's my first profit? It's blue one. My profits are blue ones, right? Oh boy, hold on. Where's my yeah, this is top profit, the top one, because I went into two trades. One, the first one, it was the short one, right? And then when I realized that it's going up and up, up the wave, and I entered in the trade again. Do you see where is my second double check? So I noticed on the Fibonacci that it is a broken 23.4 line, and that's where I entered. So my second take profit line is a red one. You see trade take profit on just above the 50. Yeah, take profit just below the 50. So that's where I put take profit 2, and my stop loss 2 is just below the entry. If you go up a little bit, you will see stop that. Yeah, that's my second trade, because I kind of entered two trades, but it was happening in real time. And I saw as the candles were growing, I really saw what was happening, you know? So I could stop it at any time. So I'm not sure, I didn't put too many more indicators, like, but I noticed that it will be strong decline in price. So I went according to Fibonacci sequence. So that's it for this one.
Okay. So I understand what you are talking about, but I have to tell you, because I can't. Yes, it's good work. Yes, it's good work, but 1 minute time frame is not the one that we putting our tools on. In real trade, you will be surprised. I mean, in real money, you cannot trade in 1 minute time frame. It's actually not for tools and for Fibonacci, for pattern and all this. At least you draw yani from the maybe 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours time frame. I know that you are interested to see the candle quickly growing and some candlestick is on the real time and so on, but it's yani, let's say not the right strategy for trading. But
Yeah,
it's
I know
good
it
for
now.
learning. So it's good for learning, but I have to note that it's not for real trading. It's not.
Yeah.
So
Mohammed, I know it now because you were discussing that with Fazal, as you're saying, when we
yes.
listen, we learn. So I realized that, but that's my second homework. I have a first one on 4 hours.
Okay, I will see it now. But first, I have to ask if anybody know about Zooming program. Why he told me that remaining meeting time is 3 minutes now. So is that sitting, some kind of sitting, or what?
Something is really wrong, Fazal, Mohammed.
They're saying they're different, because sometimes they say it's remain and they automatically prolong it. I don't know by which, what kind of estimation they're doing, but sometimes it's break and sometimes it's not.
Yeah,
They can
because now
continue for
the
1 hour and a half. It can be longer, and sometimes they
yes.
really break. Maybe because of the connection, maybe because of the
No, it's
quantity
not
participants.
connection because
I
they
have no
already
idea.
warning me. They tell me that the meeting will be cut off after 2 minutes and
But
half.
it didn't. So
No,
I
it
don't
will.
know.
It will. I have now a timer like 2
Ah,
minutes
really?
23.
Maybe not. Let's see.
You know what, Mohammed, also maybe could be the case that if you have a free account, your interval's only 40 minutes, but we didn't have a 40 minutes as yet. You know, that's another thing. But we didn't exceed 40 minutes. We were not together for 40 minutes.
Okay. Mesh. So I understand. And let's do another trade. Here you mean?
Can you please, yeah, can you please take this one? Yeah, with bubbles, right? Thank you.
Okay. So so okay. The
That's
4 hour time.
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
That's probably too much. Yeah, that's probably too many labels, but anyway.
So many labels, yes. So anyway, it's okay, it's a downdrain double top, double bottom, sorry. So you enter from here. What?
Again, I'm not greedy. Again, I'm not greedy, but I like to sometimes enter 2 trades if I see. So what happened when I entered the first trade? If you see the first check mark, because I got like bullish, whatever, small trade. That's a very small trade because you see my take profit line one is the first one is not that high. It's just a little bit, right? Because
And where is the stop loss here?
Yes, yeah, no, that red one, all the way below, all the way below. Can you see the all the way
the
below?
stop
Yes.
loss is here.
Yes, all the way below there.
Okay,
right? Okay.
but you go only on this Polish hammer. You go the trade according to Polish hammer, right?
I have a not only that, also the trade that goes down, the whole I didn't draw the trade line, but it looks like it's going down. All right, and then I saw the bullish, and then I saw what else I saw. Oh, hammer, yeah, bullish,